First, though, President Donald Trump flew to Texas today to see some of the damage that Harvey has left behind.
That storm has now dumped nearly 52 inches of rain in that area, and that is setting a new U.S. record. Just a staggering amount of rain. Kenneth Craig is in hard-hit Houston, where emergency workers are scrambling to rescue people and get them into shelter.
Thousands of storm evacuees are crowding into Houston's downtown convention center, and tensions are rising.
We haven't had showers in 3 days. It smells in there, it's dirty, it's just a lot of stuff, and I'm really just fed up with it.
City officials are urging people to remain calm.
We want everyone to be safe, and the main thing is want them to be dry, out of the elements, and see what we can do. We have never been in this situation.
More than 9,000 people have showed up here to the convention center. It was supposed to only hold 5,000. The mayor is now asking FEMA to provide a shelter for another 10,000 evacuees.
We're not turning anyone away, but it does mean that we need to expand our capabilities and our capacity.
Continuous rain is raising water levels higher, and a levee near Houston breached this morning, sending more water into neighborhoods. So far, emergency crews have plucked more than 6,000 people from rising floodwaters. Ismael Martinez is grateful after a volunteer pulled him from his 18-wheeler.
I never thought I'd go to sleep and wake up with my truck full of water.
Crowds cheered President Trump in Corpus Christi after he received a briefing on recovery efforts from local and state officials.
This was of epic proportion.
Harvey is still not finished with Texas. The tropical storm is back over the Gulf and is expected to make a second landfall tomorrow just east of Houston. Kenneth Craig, CBS News, Houston.
So far, the storm has blamed for at least 9 deaths, including a Houston police officer. However, that number is expected to rise. Keep watching WCCO and CBS News. We'll have continuing coverage of the flood disaster caused by Hurricane Harvey.